My topic for today, international co-productions and co-production markets. If you want to do a co-production, this should ideally be for artistic reasons. Co-producers can only raise financing from their home market if there is a kind of a link to their market as well. An international co-production that is officially perceived as an international co-production, the film is considered a national film in each of the participating countries, and it can thus benefit from support, subsidies, tax incentives, cultural advantages, be part of national quota in the co-producing countries. Try not to go just for the usual suspects, but really try to look around and see what else is possible. What maybe the countries that you are expecting are not really applicable for you. Maybe they don't really have that amount of financing. Communication is, of course, the key of co-production. If you want to apply somewhere, if you've now identified, okay, this is the co-production market and this is a co-production market that I might want to go to, check out precisely what are the regulations, what are the requirements. Also, is there a specific focus of the market on topics, genre, on budgets, or on regions?